Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to generate audio in Adobe Firefly. Adobe Firefly is mainly known for generating images and text effects, but Adobe is also expanding into AI generated audio and voice features. While Firefly itself have a full standalone audio generator like images, it connects with Adobe's tools. First, open any of the web browser you prefer, and in the top there's an address bar. What you can do is type down firefly.adobe.com and enter it. And once you get into this interface of your Adobe Firefly, you'll get into this homepage like this. And make sure you have logged in your account already. You can go to this new in the top left corner here. And under this new, you can find this audio here. You can generate new audio in the bottom here. Click onto this audio. So over here, what you can do is you can simply click onto this record here as well. If you want to, you can also describe the prompt here. You can select any of the prompt that you prefer, and after that you can simply select the generate here on the bottom, and Adobe will automatically generate the audio using your Adobe Firefly as well. And while Adobe Firefly is mainly focused on visuals, you can still generate audio by using its connected AI tools and with just a script and a few clicks. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.